So for today's video is pag-aaralan natin ang halaga ng Python at benefits ng Python. Bakit nga bang mahalagang mapag-aralan ito? In Godio Van Rossum, he said to basic to use Python because other apps is more to use integers and words because the Python focusing only programming and boring apps. And did you know what is good in Python? First is deep learning. Deep learning is a machine technique that teach computers to do what comes naturally to humans. Example, deep learning is a key technology beyond driverless cars. Second, machine learning is a field of computer science that use statistical techniques to give a computer's programs the ability to learn from past experience and improve how they perform scientific tasks. Predictive analyzing the process using data forecast future outcomes. Advanced analytics is a data analysis methodology using predictive modeling. Academic research, it is to use at lots of cool tools made by huge community of developers. Data compilation refers to the initial step in data analyzing, which is data analyzing use data visualization and statistical data science. Python is programming language. Academic research, it's easy to use and has lots of tools made by huge community of developers. Data explosion refers to the initial step in data analyzing, in which data analyzing use data visual and statistical techniques and to describe in data set. Data science, as in build mathematical libraries and function making insert to calculate mathematical problems to perform data analyzing. At doon po nagtatapos ang aking video. Maraming salamat po.